About the I still would not consider this a tune-up fight because I would think it'd be competitive. And maybe it wouldn't sell the best because he's coming off the loss, but we never got to see Bilal Shavkat.
Yeah, I was gonna say that might be like the tune-up fight, right? The fight that you never got.
He's at 6, but at the same time, like that kind of just goes to my point. Like, there's no tune-up fight in this division. Like a tune-up
Yeah.
fight against a former champion, it's um, and that's kind of why I'm so all in on just have him be next.